Welcome to the channel. Today, we're looking at the Angelo Smart Wired Video Doorbell System. This isn't your average doorbell, it's a complete home security solution. Featuring a crisp 1080p camera with a wide 160-degree viewing angle, you'll get a clear picture of whoever's at your door, day or night, thanks to the built-in infrared night vision. The system boasts a 7-inch full-touch monitor for easy viewing and control, offering a truly hands-free experience. But it's more than just seeing who's there. This system provides two-way audio, letting you speak to visitors directly from your monitor or even your smartphone. The two-year Wi-Fi connectivity means you can receive notifications and view visitor information remotely. Security is paramount, and this system delivers. It features motion detection, automatically recording video or snapshots to the included 32GB microSD card. Plus, it offers 3 convenient unlocking methods: IC card, smartphone app, and the monitor itself. 5 access cards are included. The setup requires wiring between the monitor and doorbell, but a 3-meter extension cable is provided, and the system can support longer distances with standard cabling. The main monitor connects to your home Wi-Fi, providing seamless remote access. This system is built tough. The outdoor doorbell is waterproof, dustproof, and vandal-resistant. This comprehensive security system offers peace of mind and convenience at a reasonable price. It's perfect for villas, apartments, or homes of any size. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more reviews like this.